everyone, today we're playing Traffic Crashes Car Crash. The game of a car crashing with traffic. Let's start. Here we go. There. Oh no. What? Oh, I didn't mean to say that. First, let's try this. Okay. Oh no. Ow! Gosh, that was close. Can I still move? Okay. Guess I still can move. Oh, my ruin. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh no, excuse me? Oh gosh, what the? Oh no. What? Did one of my wheels disappear? Oh gosh. Look at the car. What happened? Oh gosh, this is gonna be funny. Oh gosh, I can't move. I'm looking like a turtle car, aren't I? Still, I can move though. Oh, my ruin! What the heck? How did this car crash? Maybe from other. Oh, my ruin! What the heck? What happened to that car? Oh no! Are the traffic's dumb? Are the traffic's dumb at driving? Oh no! I can only move left. Okay. I'm joking. I'm automatically moving left. What? Oh gosh. Okay. I still can move. Oh no. Gosh, I was safe. Oh gosh. My bonnet. Let's see if it disappears. Well, it doesn't disappear. Oh no! What the heck did it do? Oh no! I can't move. Still my bonnet is there. Still my part is right there, you see? Let's try another. I swear I can joke. I see what's on my mind if I drink. Let's try another one, I guess. This map. Okay, great. Let me watch out. Okay, let me watch out. I already did it. Okay. What was that? What was causing? Oh! Gosh, that driver almost fell. Was he driving too speedy? Oh no, I shouldn't have. Excuse me, what the? Why was it just rotating there? Oh my gosh, another idiot! Oh, still I'm safe though. Okay. Wait, oh. What was causing that? Oh no, what? What the heck? Look at the traffic! Isn't squishy? I'm also squishy. Looks like I have no front seats. Bro, what the? Did you just see that? Look, right there. My door! It is glitching! What the? Oh gosh. Now, wait. Whose road is this? Glitching. Maybe it's from that traffic. Oh no. Now. It looks crunched. It looks like it's a squished car from a squisher. Maybe it looks like there was a wall and this squisher car, a car squisher that is squished up and being thrown here. That looks like it, right? Okay. Oh no, what? Okay. This is a high This is very high. This is very high. Okay, oh no. What the heck? So I have to cross from here? Oh no. Oh gosh. Thank God that I got no damage from that rock. Oh gosh. Okay, oh my. Oh gosh. Accident. Okay. That's me. Oh wait. Oh no, I see him. Did I just hit something? Oh, it was a rock and it didn't give me damage. It didn't damage my car, right? I mean, it didn't damage my car. Oh, I also see it. Graphics damage. I'm just gonna go careful. Oh no. Hey, my part is vented. Still it's vented a little, not even visible. Oh, okay. What sicky sacky? The hell no! Oh, excuse me, did I just say hell no? I guess I can't say that. Oh gosh, did my door just break? The car's door? That traffic's car door. Hey, lol, can you see that? Okay, look at that car right over there. Look at the part right over there. It's brown. Okay. Okay. It's not a proper car. Look at the back. Okay. Oh no! I almost fall. I almost fall from the mountain. Okay. What? His car doors are open. And where is his grill? Front grill. Okay. Is there supposed to be an idiot here? Oh no. I guess I can't say idiot anymore. Oh no. Almost got crashed. Hey, what's this part? Where did it come from? Excuse me. I will go from there, cross the park. Oh no! Now my two doors are open. Oh no! Just a car here, which is my ruin. Oh no! What did it? Gosh, she's still okay. What? I guess I'm also okay because I'm not very damaged. Okay, there's accidents blocking the way of me. Oh, okay, still I can't fit in there. Okay, my little brother's here. I guess he wants to watch me. Okay. Oh. Boom. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. You want to watch me, I guess. Oh no! What the? My brother distracted me and now I am in danger. Oh no. Gosh, that was... Hey. The heck? My tires are getting... Oh gosh. They look like they're roaming themselves. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye.